Rosemary Lemon Tomato Rice or Rosemary Lemon Tomato Pilaf, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rosemary recipes and one of the most unique of the lemon recipes and one of the most different of the rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the lemon rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rosemary rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato rice recipes. We're going to make rosemary tomato lemon rice. We have taken around 15 to 20 grams of rosemary, around 15 grams of ginger, 1 onion cut into pieces, around 2 small tomatoes cut into pieces, half a lemon, 10 grams of garlic, 15 to 20 small shallots from which the skin has been peeled off. We've also taken around 150 grams of rice which has been washed and soaked in water, and pour in 10 to 15 ml of oil. Put in the rosemary pieces. Put in the onion pieces. Put in the ginger, garlic, and the shells. Put in the ginger, salt, thoroughly. Till the onions lose the pinkish color. Put in the tomato piece. Squeeze in the lemon juice. After half lemon. Thoroughly salt. Salt and milk. And crush the tomato. Spices. Put in a quarter spoon of chili powder. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Mix. Pour in 2 spoons of yogurt. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Thoroughly. Keep on mixing. Put in the rice which we had taken earlier into the mixture. Mix. Thoroughly mix. 100 ml of water. Mix. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes if in the open, or 6 to 7 minutes if in the pressure cooker. This may vary according to the rice. And cook for the required amount of time. Now the rosemary tomato rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Final rosemary lemon tomato rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pilaf recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato rice recipes and one of the most different of the rosemary rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.